So let's fix this. You notice something's not correct? Well, my beamer is winking and I need to fix this light. Or the ring. All right, so in order to get to that, it's a H8 bulb, H8, excuse me, is a bulb for reference, H8. Got it from O'Reilly's. Go into the car door, pop the hood. I'm so used to the double pop on the newer BMWs. So, here we go. Uh-oh. Now I'm just missing a supercharger kit. Okay, so to change it, right here, this portion, pop that up, take out the old one, which is the H8. Just get a flat hitch. Let's see. And that. All right, need two hands again. You literally just stick it in between here, this groove, pry it up like that, boom, it pops up. Gotta give a little force, but other than that, it's fine. Okay, what is, oh, hold on. There we go. All right, something to screw around here. So, is this it? Yeah, this is it right here. But, it looks aftermarket. All right, well, I'm gonna pull this out. So, all right, here's the new one. This is what came out. Looks like some aftermarket stuff, but I'll just put it back in the OEM. And I'm actually gonna do it to the other side too. Now that I thought about it, I was wondering why this was so bright, so I'm gonna change that out too once I go back to O'Reilly. All right, so if you do it without it actually plugged in, it's a lot easier, and then just plug it in afterwards, which is, hold on, stick the wiring back in, be careful when you're doing it. So, I don't know if you can see that, just like that, boom. And you're good to go. I don't like that the wire's exposed like that, but it's actually now. So I'm gonna go get a headlight bulb for the other side and put this back in. All right, that clicked in. See that in the grooves? Right there, those grooves. This one and this one. And then onto this side. See it? Yellow. Now it's working. See it? Change it this side. So I believe these are probably aftermarket HID too. It's a little bright, but I'm gonna change these out to that factory one. All right, let's do this side. Right, same thing, twist. Get that off. All right, after fighting tooth and nail to get this out, this is now out. Same module on the driver's side. Some gloves because I don't want to touch this and make this all dirty. I mean, anytime you're working with some kind of bulbs, you touch it and it gets dirty with your bare hands because of all the oils from your fingers. Just go straight in this way. All right, it's now in there. Just go ahead and put that in, which is this, and you're good to go. All right, so for this side, you got to go in through the right and then turn left. I mean, maybe some people have done it the other way, but I noticed for that side, you have to go in and then turn right. This one, you go in and then turn left. I know that probably should be facing another way, but this way worked for me. So I'm just gonna plug this in now. Give me a second, need two hands. All right, and it literally just clips in once you push it in. See it, how it's clipped in? And then you grab your cover, it's right here, put it in the groove, and right there. And now you're good to go. Let's check it out. Now, yes, sir. Hey, it might be yellow, but at least I'm not winking anymore. Looks good. Well, there you have it. All right, y'all.